Hi, it's Oliver. Today we're going to make crepes. Here's what you need. 250 grams of plain flour. 2 eggs. 500 milliliters of milk. A pinch of salt. Put everything into a bowl and mix it until it's light and airy. Take 2 teaspoons of oil and a pastry brush. Cover the frying pan lightly with oil. Add enough mixture to cover the frying pan. Flip the crepe and cook on the second side. Add your favourite topping. Roll up your crepe. Serve and enjoy. Thanks for watching.